Time for another walkthrough. I just made that up.
That was good.
That was brand new. No music lessons, and I just came up with that off the top of my head. So we want to walk through this Avenger, the 27DBS.
Yep.
Again, look at that number, 2022. Brand spanking new, 2022. All right, so I know we've walked through Avengers before. What are they under? What brand are they under?
They are under Primetime.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Awesome. So obviously we've got the aluminum.
Yep.
Outside we've got a good size awning there with some lights across the top.
Lights right that way.
Right there.
Right there.
And I think, is that, it is tough to do.
It is.
Can you, okay, here's the deal. Can you put your finger on the thing and then run it,
Like that way?
run it down along, clear down to this end. Oh, that was pretty good.
Can only go so far.
Yeah. I feel like you're falling more than trying.
Right,
now.
yeah.
All right, so this is the front end of the Avenger. That's the overview.
What does this say?
This is, they say that the roof is optional, so you can get a roof on this. This one does not have a roof.
I would like to point out that this is not a Sabre.
Right.
That might be one of the next ones that are coming up
That
here.
happened earlier. I don't know if that's a separate graphic at the top. We had the wrong name at the top.
But this is the correct floor plan. So you do have the double bunks that you can see there in the back corner.
There's a little kitchen for you. How long is this one?
32 feet 11 inches.
Okay. So you got a little compact kitchen here with I'm assuming that's a three-top.
Yep,
three burner. And then
Small
nice
little
sink there.
oven there.
Yeah.
You got the gas electric or the 12-volt fridge there that we're showing.
And then heading back to the, of course, you can see the double bunks there, or the double bed bunks. What is that what it's called? Double bunks. Double bunks.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, of course, there's the TV.
Right. Yep. You got the little entertainment center there, a little bit of storage, DVDs, whatever.
And then heading into the bathroom here. Got everything you need.
Yep.
Shower, sink,
Got
toilet.
the little corner pieces we can put your soap on.
Right.
Touched on that earlier.
That is a good size dinette there too.
It is.
Yeah.
I think it's like a king size dinette or something.
Really?
Like that. Yeah.
Yeah, fit plenty of people around there. Of course, there's the bed. You've got storage on either side, above.
A little bit of privacy there with the door.
That might be the fastest walkthrough we've ever done in our lives. That was quick. That was quick.
It must have been it must have been a Friday or a Saturday.
We're just trying to get through. $27,960, $215 a month. Of course, if you're interested in the 2022 Avenger, you can go to rvwholesalers.com and click on Build My Own or Build Your Own, and you can build one of those and see what it's like and then get a quote.
Yeah.
So yeah, go and play with that. Obviously, some of these are a little shorter and sweeter than some of the others, but that is the 2022 Avenger. Again, these are RVs that aren't on the lots yet.
Yep.
Yeah.